Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives, to you we be.
So, hello. First of all, happy birthday. Sa labas ako ng bahay kasi hindi ako marinig. Um, it's been a year for us. Parang ang dami na nangyari. I just wanted to tell you that no matter where life take us, I'll always be here. It will never be easy. Tulad sinabi ko sa'yo when you started this, this is not going to be a walk in the park, but I'm here to stay and to fight for it. I love you. I will always love you. Kahit gaano ka kakulit, gaano ka katigas ang ulo, kahit gaano mo ko pinipikon, I love you. And I want you to experience all the best things in life. Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, my babe.
Happy birthday, Jibril. Thank you sa friendship natin and I'm wishing you all the best and sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Stay na maging palaban sa mga basher natin and stay maganda. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi Josh, happiest birthday to you. Thank you for adopting me as your nakshi.
Hi! Happy birthday. May your birthday be as special as you are as always and filled with all the people and things that brings you joy and happiness. I hope that you're going to enjoy your special day and thank you for being my friend. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Jibril. More birthdays to come. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo and sorry, hindi kasi ako makakapunta dyan. Thank you sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo sa akin, sa pagtatanggol mo sa akin palagi. And yun nga, yung pagiging matapang mo sobrang, oh my God, kudos. Yung birthday gift mo, pahabol ko na lang yun kasi bukas, mag-overnight daw kami kila Ninong, may bibigay raw sa akin birthday gift tuloy. Christmas gift. So ayun, mag-overnight daw, hindi raw makakasama. Nagpaalam na ako kay mami. Bibili na lang kita gift. Sorry, wag kang magtampo.
Happiest birthday to you, my super sikap at super sarap na BFF. Thank you for being our sunshine in our group. Lagi mo kaming pinapasaya at lagi mo rin kaming ginagalit. Kapag lumalabas si Gabriela sa katauhan mo, ikaw yung matured. Kasi tuwing may nag-aaway, ikaw yung laging susol. Para mas lalo pang mag-away. Anyway, thank you kasi simula nung naging magkaibigan tayo, mas lalo pang lumabas yung pagiging confident ko sa sarili ko at mas lalo akong naging masayahin. And sa mga advices mo na nakakatulong talaga pero hindi ko naman sinusunod, I wish you a very good health and a super very happy heart. And mas lalo mong alagaan yung katawan mo kasi alam mo na, tumatanda na tayo. Joke! Yan lang! Enjoy your special day. I love you, Josh. Mwah.
Happy birthday, BFF! Tanda mo na, pero looking fresh. Bes, sana magbago ka na. Pangit ang ugali mo yun lang.
Hi Josh, happy birthday. First off, I just want to say sorry if I couldn't make it to your birthday party today. Alam kong minsan lang yan, but sobrang busy lang talaga ng person. And I hope you're having a great time. I'm sure you are. Alam ko namang you can find ways to be happy. I know that to you. And yeah, I'm just happy for our friendship. And I'm very grateful to have you as my friend. You're the most fun friend that I have, and I'm very grateful for that. I wish you nothing but the best, and yeah, I hope you're having a great time today. I miss you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.